Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mitesh Gala. Welcome to Rough Book, a learning companion. Okay, so I hope everyone is ready with the textbook and paper and pen. Let's begin with the topic exercise 1A GST. So your first question looks like this. You've been given that the following transaction is happening within Delhi. So if it is within Delhi, obviously it is intrastate. If it is intrastate, do you remember what we got to do? Yeah, if it is intrastate, CGST, SGST. And they have written IGST also to confuse us. So whichever is not applicable, we're going to write nil over there, and the rest of the things we are supposed to write it. So fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. So the MRP is 12,000. Let's assume that we are buying a smartphone worth rupees 12,000, and if the smartphone is worth rupees 12,000 and GST is 18% on that, what will be the split? It's going to be 9% on CGST, 9% on SGST. But we are very lucky that this smartphone 12,000 is coming to us with a discount of 30%. So first let's calculate the 30% discount. Come on everyone, run through your paper and pen, get me the answer for 30% of 12,000. It has to be 3600. If any point of time in the video you find that my calculations are going fast because they are pre-recorded, you can pause the video, calculate and then come back. This chapter is more about calculations and less about concept. So once the concept is clear, your calculation speed should increase. So avoid copying, avoid using the calculator. Please don't do that. I will not like it at all. And try doing the sums on your own to have your calculation speed being grown up. So discount is 3600. So out of 12,000, which is the MRP, 3600 is the discount. So what will be the selling price? Obviously mental math you will get it. It should be 8,400. Correct? So did everyone reach here to selling price 8,400? Now pause the video, calculate 9% on this 8,400 as CGST. The same amount write as SGST. Why 9%? Because we said when it is intrastate, the 18% is broken into two equal parts, CGST and SGST. So take 9% as CGST, get your answer here. Copy the same answer here. What will you write for IGST? Nil, NIL, because nothing is going to be there since it is intrastate. And then the amount of bill will be this amount, 8,400, which is the CP of mobile, plus the CGST plus the SGST as the amount of bill. Come on, pause the video and get the answer. I hope most of you will manage to get it correct. So first 9%. Yeah, now that you're back, let's check your answers. So 9% of 8,400. How much is that? 756, correct? The same amount will be SGST. So you need not calculate it again. Directly write 756. If you got this incorrect, that means you need to work on your calculations. If you use the calculator, I am not happy. Please avoid it. Come back. IGST has to be nil. And what will be my final amount? So that is 8,400 plus 756 plus 756. Come on, calculate. Give me the answer. So my final answer should be 9912. So the mobile which is worth 12,000, I am paying 9912 because there is a discount. And on the discount then I am paying the GST. Do you remember the bills? Every time you do this topic, you should remember the bills which I showed you in the start, the two parts of GST, which helps you to understand how the calculation happens. Was this simple? Okay, great. Let's go with the next question, sum number 2. Let's see what does the question say. So for the following transaction within Delhi again, okay, find the amount of bill. I'm sorry, here there is a printing error. This is from Delhi to Jaipur. This is not within Delhi. This is from Delhi to Jaipur. So if these are two different states, so if it is two different states, we call it as interstate. So interstate, that means CGST, SGST will be nil. And we'll have IGST as integrated, the total 28% together. So these are some white goods. Do you remember 28% is on white goods or maybe your tobacco or soft drinks? Alright. So 50,000 worth. Calculate the discount first. I also have a paper and pen with me right over here. So even I am going to calculate with you instead of preloaded answers. So let's see whether your calculation speed is better or mine. So 20% of 50,000 I am calculating. So that should be 10,000. Did you get the same answer? Super. So 10,000 discount. So mental math, 50 minus 10 is going to be 40,000. That's the selling price. Now 40,000 is the selling price on that 28% GST. CGST nil, SGST nil. What are we paying is only IGST. Come on, calculate 28%. So 28% of 40,000. Even I am calculating, so even I am not cheating. 8 4s are 32, 8 9 10 11. So I get 11,200 as my IGST. So what will be my total bill amount? Because 40,000 is the base price plus the tax, so 51,200. See, did you manage to get the same answer? 51,200. Superb. Even I am calculating, you also should not be lazy. So my final answer should be 51,200. The objective of these first two questions is very simple. The first one is to make you understand intrastate, and the second one is interstate. By printing error over here, this should be Delhi to Jaipur, that is interstate. Is the concept clear in the head? Let's hit the next question. The sums now are going to be very interesting. If you focus, if your calculation speed is good, you will just enjoy this video. Alright, let's go ahead. Question number 3. So here we go, that's the question. In the textbook you see everything in horizontal panel. I want you to transpose it and make it in the vertical column. So whenever you make it vertical, the calculation becomes easier in the exam and the board teacher can easily calculate. So here if you see, you got the repairing cost for 5 different components of a computer and the discounts being offered on each of the components, and later on there is a GST being applied. So the total GST is 18%. So first, product wise, we will calculate the discounted price. So first let's calculate 30%. Now there are two ways here. One is you calculate 30% and then subtract. The second one, since the total percent is always 100, so out of 100 you reduce 30%, that is 70%. So out of 100 you reduce 30%, so you get 70%. Once you get 70%, directly calculate 70% and you get the price which is already discounted. So I am calculating 70% of 5,500. I hope you guys are also calculating, and girls as well. So 5 3s are 7 5s are 35, 38 0. So do you get 3850? Yeah, even me, 3850. Alright, let's go with the second one, 40%. So how much are you going to calculate? 60%, not 40, you're going the reverse way. So 60% of 6250. So let us calculate quickly. 6 5s are 30, 12, 13, 14, 15, 36, 37. So I get 3750. Let's check. It's correct. How many got it correct? Good job. Let's go with the next one. 30% for 4800. So we will take 70% of 4800. So 7 8s are 56, 28, 33. Do you get 3360? Perfect. How many of you all got it correct? Brilliant. Let's go ahead. 20%, so we will take 80% of 7200. So on cancelling, 8 2s are 16, 57 and 1 0. I get 5760. Did you get the same? Are you matching my speed by any chance? Brilliant if you're doing that. So 5760, that's correct. Let's go with the last part, 40% for 3500. So we will calculate 60% for 3500. Let's see if you're matching my speed of calculation. So is it 2100? Did you manage to get the same? 2100? Super. If you got all the answers correct, now you need to calculate or add up all the discounted price to get your total price. So let's count and calculate. Come on, calculate it. Pause the video if you want more time. Calculate and get me the answer. So the answer is going to be 18,220. This is not your final answer. This is just the discounted price. We have not applied GST on this yet. You are expected to apply GST on this at the rate of 18%. That's what they say. Am I right? Question 2. No, yeah, 18%. So come on, let's calculate, you and me both. 18% of 18,220. So 10, 18,1822 into 18. Let's multiply. 8 2s are 36, 36. 8 2s are 16, 16, 17, 65, 6, 14. I get 2281. So 6, 9, 7, 12, 3. Do you get 32796 divided by 100? So 327.96. But we had to take half of this. If you've taken 18%, it's wrong. You need to take 9% because this is within the state. Did we check that? Let's read it. A computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing cost for the different components. So this is within Delhi. It's not going outside. So you got to segregate as 9%. So you got to take half of that. So according to me, the answer should be 163.98. I'm not sure if it is correct. Let's check. 1693.80. So I put a wrong decimal. Did you also do that? Okay, how many got this correct? 9%. Not 18%. You need to take it as 9% because this is within Delhi. Alright. So another part also 9%. So you don't need to calculate the second part over here as SGST. Directly write the same answer. And then for your final answer, you're going to add this. That is the total discounted price plus CGST plus SGST. The total of all the three. Come on, total it up and tell me the final answer. Yeah, I'm doing a slight cheating over here. I'm going to take it from the computer directly instead of adding it here. What cheating? I only have calculated and prepared this before, so I know it. So my final answer is 22,207.60. How many got the same answer? Wow, bravo. If you got the same answer, the concept is clear. Not only that, your calculations are good. Keep it up, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and let's check the next one. So 22,207 was this one. Let's take the next question, sum number 5. So sum number 5 goes this way. So make the table, pause the video, prepare your table and then come back. Once you're back, you can see the columns over here. Quantity, that is number of items. MRP of each item. You need to include one new column so that you can multiply these two and get the total cost. Then the discounted price, total of all the prices, and then we will see whether it is CGST, SGST. So just reading the question. Find the amount of bill for the following interstate transaction of goods and services. So this is interstate, that means only IGST, no CGST, no SGST. Wow, we are safe at the rate of 18%. So we will directly apply 18% on this. So come on, multiply 35 with 420. So 42 into 35, even I am multiplying, 5 2s are 10. Cheaters, I know you all started before me. Still, I will manage to bring you down. But I hope I am doing it correct. So did you get 1470 as the first answer? 14700. Go for the next one. 6 sevens are 42 or 28. So 28200. I am correct. Let's go for the last one. 350 into 20. Mental maths has to be 70,000. 7,000. Again, I am wrong here. I am trying to calculate, but I am sure you guys are better than me. Now the discounted price. So already you know if it is 10%, what you need to do. Don't take 10% and waste your time. Be smart. Take 90% directly. Okay. So 90% should be 13 to 30. I gave you the first one. Come on, get me the second and the third. Even I am calculating 90% of 28 to 100. So let's see if we all manage to get the same answer. 9 2s are 18, 73, 7, 9 2s are 18 plus 7, 25, 0. So 25, 380 is what I get. 25, 380. Did you get the same? Amazing. Not by copying, on your own. Come on, next one. 80% again of 7,000. You can do it mental math. It has to be 5,600. Correct? How many got this last one on mental math? Correct? Yeah, we are trying to develop a calculation speed also. Okay. Come on, add all the three and give me the final answer. Quick. Pause the video if you want more time to calculate. So your answer should be 44,210. Now you're going to apply IGST. Remember, this is interstate, and if it is interstate, you are going to apply IGST. So IGST at the rate of 18% directly. So IGST 18% of 44,210. How much do you get it? Come on, even I'm calculating, and pray for me that I go correct, not wrong. So let me see. I get 4421 into 18. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 32, 33, 32, 35, and then I get 1, 2, 4, 4. I think I'm going to mess up. So 8, 7, 5, 9, 7. 7, 9, 5, 7, 8, and then 2 decimals. So 7957.80. Wow, I got it correct. 7957.80. I have calculated. I am not a cheater like you all. I actually calculated it here. Correct. Let's go ahead. So the total bill should be the addition of these two. Mental math, anybody? 52,000 something. 52,167.80. Did you manage to get the same? So all in all, till now, if you notice, there are only two types of questions. One interstate, second intrastate. Okay, interstate, that means IGST. Intrastate, that means CGST, SGST. Now the sums that you're going to get are of different types here in forms of the table. Now what I mean by the table, so you can see quantity with MRP and discount percent, but all the items have the same rate of GST. Now probably in next questions you will get different rates of GST for different products, because in India you remember there are different products, different rate of GST. So then you'll have to calculate individual item, probably that we will see in the next sums. Come on, let's hit the next question. I want everyone to try sum number 9. That's your question here. I have already given the first answer. Okay, I removed it. So you have the quantity given to you already. Let's see if you can tackle this one. You have quantity and MRP, so obviously you're going to multiply to get the total cost first, then the discount percent and discounted price. I think this is same GST amount. So let me read the question 9. National Trading Company Meerut UP supplying goods to Samarth in UP only, so that is interstate. So we are lucky again, IGST, and the rate of GST is 12%. So 12% for all the products. So in the end we will apply once we get the discounted price. So same type of question, come on, shoot it. 225 into 2, common sense, mental math, 450 and one more zero, so 4500. Correct? Brilliant. Go for the next one. 32 into 3, anybody mental math? That's correct, 96 and 2 zeros, so 9600. 12 into 300, so that is 3600, all mental math. 4 into 25 is 100 and 2 more zeros, so 10,000. How many got all these questions by mental math? Brilliant. Now 60% discount, so you're going to apply 60%, 40% discount, so you're going to apply 60% on 450. So come on, let's calculate 60% on 450. Oh, you already got with mental math. Brilliant. 4 5s are 30. I am not that good, so let me calculate. So 2700 is what I get. Did you get the same? Great. Yeah, I'm calculating. You don't trust me every time. Why you want me to show it to you? I actually calculated. See? Come on, let's go with the next one. 30% on 9600. So I'll calculate 70% of 9600. So 7 6 are 42. 9 7s are 63 plus 4 67. 6720. Is that what you get? Brilliant. If you are going faster than me, I am impressed. If you're going slower than me, that means you got to increase or pause the video. Two choices. Come on, 50% of 3600 has to be half 1800, mental math. There you go. And 60% of 10,000, again mental math, 6,000. There you go. Okay, are you supposed to write all these details? Actually no, but it is better if you do. I would recommend you should, but in the boards they don't check this, they just check these answers. Yeah, I hope I'm solving all your doubts and your queries which come to your mind while I'm writing it. Come on, total it up. Who's totaling it first, me or you? 6 plus 6 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 500, 17, 220. Mental math, let's see if my answer is correct. 17, 220. So my mental math is not bad. And now you need to calculate 18% on this. So calculate, 12%, but this was interstate, so half of it, 6 and 6, I already gave you the clue, don't go wrong. Come on, calculate 6% of 17 to 20, even I am calculating guys, go ahead. 6 2s are 12, 13, 43, 4, 10, 14. So I am getting it as 1433.20, is it? I'm wrong. It is 1033.20. I must have messed up. So that's your answer. SGST you don't need to calculate. Write the same thing. Even if you got wrong, please look at the answer here. And then the final will be this plus this plus this. Mental math, anybody? This is 2000. So 17 plus 2, 19,000. Another 66. So should be 19,286.20. I think mental math should be that. Correct. So we got it correct. Our mental math is good, guys. Good job. Let's go with the next question. Your next question is here, sum number 10. I'm trying to pick up all difficult ones. So let's read the question first, then I'll put it up. Messrs. Ram Traders, Delhi, provided the following services to Messrs. Geeta in Agra, UP. So Delhi to UP. Now Delhi is not in UP, it's a union territory separate. Remember that. So this is interstate again. Yeah. So it is going to be IGST straight away. So let us see whether we get the same answer or no. So the table is right here. And IGST, I have written it here, and IGST rates are different. So since the rates are different, you'll have to calculate for each item out over here. That's why the table is slightly different. So first calculate total cost, then calculate IGST for each, then add the total cost with the total IGST to get your final answer. Okay, come on, pause the video this time. You will come back only once you finish the entire sum. Promise? Fine, hit it. So 8 into 680. So 8 8s are 64, 6, 8 6 are 48 plus 6, 54. So it should be 5440. Perfect. 12 4s are 20, 12 2s are 24. So 236 plus 2 38. So 3840. Am I correct? Wow, so my mental math is not bad. I'm not cheating, honestly, I'm doing it mentally. You also can. I'm not trying to show you how good I am. I'm trying to show you how good you can be. 260 into 10, 2600. I know everyone knows it. 16 2s are 32, 16 6 are 64 plus 3, 67. So 6720. Perfect. Now 5%. Don't take 95%. It's not discount. It's GST and IGST. So the entire 5% together. So 5%. Let me calculate. My mental math is not that great now. So I will have to use paper and pen. So 5440, 5%. Yeah, mental math also can be good, no? 544 is 10%. Half of that should be 272. Am I correct? Yeah, mental math not bad. 384, 0, 12%. So 12% of 3840. Come on, get your mental math sorted. 12 8s are 48, 96 plus 4, 10, 36, 46 and 10. 460.18. Did you get same? Great. 2600, 18%. Now this I can't do mentally. So 26 into 18 I'll have to multiply. 8 6 are 48. 16 plus 4, 20. 6 and 2. So I get 864. 468. Oh, I actually used the paper. I was not good with mental math here. I'm not lying. Come on, 6720 into 12. So it should be 0.40. 2 12s 7s are 86. 84 plus 2, so 86. 8 carry, 12 72 80. So you should get 806.40. Is it? There you are. So add up everything and get me the final answer. Come on, I'm waiting. Pause if you want. So your answer for total cost first, I got it. And now IGST. So 2007.60. Add these to anyone mental math. Yeah, this is simple. 20,607.20 should be your final answer. Correct? Am I going fast? If I am, that means you need to increase your speed. That is one. Second, you can always pause the video, go on your own pace and then come back. Alright, let's hit the next question. Sum number 11. Come on, everyone try it. I want everyone to get this one correct. Okay, this is a slightly lengthy question. That's why I picked it up. Here you can see different GST rates for different items. Not only that, different discount rates also. So I'm putting the table on the board. Yeah, board is what my habit is to say, but on the screen, I'm so sorry. So rate per piece, number of pieces. So first column you need to introduce is the total cost, then the discount percent, so discounted price, then GST. Now here, is this within the state or is it outside the state? So for the following, find the amount of bill data. Nothing is mentioned. If nothing is mentioned, you can assume anything, but the board says the better option is to assume CGST, SGST separate. Okay, that's a better option if nothing is given. So come on, hit it now. First one, 18 into 360. I'm taking a fresh paper, you get extra time. Come on, multiply, get me the answer. 36 into 18. 8 6 are 48, 24, 28, 6 and 3. So 8, 14, 1, 5 and 1, 6, 640. 8, 6480. Correct? 48, 8 into 12. So 8, 96, 9, 48 plus 9, 37. 3760. 5760. Wrong. I lost all my marks. I am so sorry. 12 into 12, 144 and 10. That was simple. Yeah. You can always pause the video, prepare your table. If the table doesn't come vertical in your book, you can always turn around your notebook and do the table horizontally. In the exam also, you can take the supplement horizontal and do the book paper, do your sums like that. It is allowed in the boards. When we go for board corrections, we allow everything. So don't worry about that. Okay, come back. 28 into 15. So 15 8s are 120, 12 carry, 42. So it should be 4,200. Is it? Yeah, I'm doing the calculations. No mental math. I'm not that great right now, so I'm doing it. Come on, you also should do it. Don't just do the calculations. Okay, don't be lazy. Do the entire sum. Make the entire table. Invest your time. Don't be lazy. Okay. Come on, 90% discount on 6840. So 648 into 90. So 72, 9, 36 plus 7, 43, 9 6 are 54, 57. So I'm getting 573200. 5732, is it? 90%? 5832. 100 rupees I ate up. So sorry. Did you get the same? Don't laugh at me and don't tell anybody. Go ahead. 5720, 80%. So 576 ka 80%. 8 6 are 48. 8 7 are 56 or 60. 46. Do I get 4608? If I don't get this correct, I'll stop the video here only. I was joking, but I got it correct. Thank you. Okay, 95% of 144. Come on, calculate. So 9 5s are 20, 22, 5 6 7, 9 4s are 36, 39, 9 10 11 12. So I get 0 8 16 1 3 1 1368. 1368. Is this what you get? 1368. Super. Let's go with the last one. 80% of 42. So 42 into 8, 8 2s are 16. 32, 33. So 3360. Is that what you get? Yeah, here I am calculating it. Yeah. I hope you are not using calculators or any kind of direct material. Please train your brain to calculate. Don't be lazy. Now CGST and SGST separate. So 6% on this, not on this. This is a tedious question, only one sum which is tedious. Such type don't come in the exam, but yeah, such types can be broken into parts and come in the exam. So we are giving you a bigger sum. Your brain should be trained for the worst and you can expect the best then to happen. So let's try calculating 6% of 5832. Come on everybody. 6 to the 12, 18, 19, 48, 49, 4, 34. So I think it should be 349.92. Wow. Same thing will be the SGST, which we will write later. Let's calculate the second one. Come on, 9% of 4608. So into 9, 972, 7, 9, 6 are 54, 5, 36 and 41. I am getting it as 414.72. Is it correct? 414.72. You know what feeling I am getting right now? As if I am playing Kaun Banega Crorepati. I am writing the answer the way I am checking if the computer is giving it to me correct. Even you can do it. Come on, 6% of 1368. So 1368 into 6. Let's calculate. 48, 36, 40, 18, 36, 44, 18, 22, 6, 7, 8. I'm getting it as 82.08. I calculated it. Did you calculate as well? Let's check. Computer G, please give us the answer. Correct answer, guys. Now the next question for 1 crore rupees. Come on, 1 crore. Joking. 3360, 14%. So 6 4s are 24, 12, 13, 14, 12 and 1, 13, 6, 3, 3. So I get 4, 10, 6 and 1, 7, 4. 470.40. Computer G, am I correct? 470.40. So all our SGSTs are going to be the same. Nothing to calculate again. Now you need to add the total GST over here. That is this plus this twice. Come on, multiply it by 2 or add it. Whatever your choice. Give me the answer. This time I am playing with you. Come on, let's see how many get it correct. Pause, calculate, come back, check. Did you get same? Super. This was 1000 rupees. Come on, next question. 5000 rupees. Multiply 414.72 into 2. Let's see if you get it. Ready? Did you come back? Did you get the same answer? Brilliant. 10,000. Next question. 82.08 into 2. Mental math. Come on. 164.16. I am giving it to you. Correct? So 10,000. This was a lifeline I used for you. Come on, 470 into 2. Get it? The last question, 20,000. Are you getting it correct? 940.80. Perfect. So you won. Get me the total of all the discounted price here. Come on, add it. Pause the video, add it. 15,168. Correct. And total GST, it's blocked by the video. So anyways, when we come down, you'll be able to see. So right now, I'm just moving ahead. So what is then we need to do? So the final part, you need to add everything, that is this plus this together, the total GST and discounted price, and the answer is, did I give it quick? Come on, add it. I know you saw it, cheaters. Come on, add it still and get me the answer. Oh, perfect. If you got this correct, 1 crore rupees is yours. You can enjoy it. Anyways, in quarantine, you can't spend it. Come back. Let's go with the next question. So your next question is right here, sum number 14. Now this is a word problem, or rather a simple question. So let's read the question first. Mr. Malik went on a tour to Goa. Wow, Goa. Right now just a dream for all of us. He took a room in a hotel for 2 days. Remember, 2 days. Each day 5,000. His friend joined, and the cost for extra bed is another 1,000. So total cost 6,000 is the total cost for one day. So for 2 days it has to be 12,000. Common sense, yeah. GST is 28%, and hotel is in one place only. So will it be CGST, SGST, or IGST? I know you've seen the screen. It is, yeah, it is CGST and SGST. So 14% of 12,000. Let's calculate. 12 into 14, we know it should be 168. So 1680, is it correct? 1680. Likewise, SGST, the same thing, correct? And what's your question? The question says find the total cost of the room. So that is going to be your 12,000 plus 1680 plus 1680. Come on, anyone, mental math. 12 plus 113 plus 114 plus 1200, 15 200, and plus 80, 80, 60. So 15360. Do I get the same? Oh, they have not asked you the cost of the room. They have asked you the total cost of GST, I think. Let's read the question. My bad. The question says how much GST is being paid. So computer G, I am sorry, we lost it. So we are using a lifeline and we are coming back alive. So your answer should be 3360. That is the total cost of the room. Alright, let's go with the final question. Sum number 15. I forgot to change it over here, but here you can see 15. My error, you can obviously ignore it, and let's go with the next one. Let's read the question. Ashraf went to see a movie. Arey yaar, what questions you are getting? Movie and Goa and all that. I'm so sorry. He went to purchase a movie ticket for rupees 80. As the ticket for 80 was not available, he purchased a ticket for 120 of the upper class. Wow, rich man. How much extra GST did he have to pay for the ticket? GST below 100 is 18% and above 100 is 28%. So obviously on 80 rupees the GST is 18%, and on 120 rupees the GST is 28%. So we will calculate the GST on this, we will calculate the GST on this, and then these two GSTs we'll subtract in order to get the difference. Since it is within the state, what is going to happen? I know cheaters have seen the screen. It is going to be CGST, SGST, and not IGST. So it is going to be 18% of 80 or 9% of 80? Correct, 9% of 80. Mental math, 72. Correct. So 7.20 rupees. Did you get this only? Oh, you didn't start. Come on, begin now. So SGST also the same. Pause the video, get me the total GST. 14.40. Common sense, mental math. Got it? Okay, pause the video, again hit this. 14% of 120. So it should be 1680. 16.80. Mental math. 16.80. Likewise 16.80 SGST. Add it, get me the final answer. Pause, come back only once you're done. Don't come back till then. So it should be 33.60. Mental math again. Subtract the two boxes to get the difference of the GST rate. Anybody mental math? 19.20 is what I heard. Perfect. Good job guys. 19.20 is the answer. Well, I've done brilliant guys. With this we come to the end of this exercise. For your homework, I want you to do the following questions. I'm not able to write it on the screen, I'm just saying it, or else I'll write it on the sheet of the paper and then I'll show it to you. So I want you to do sum number 4, sum number 6, 8 and 12 and 13. That should be your homework from exercise 1A. Yeah, here you go. These questions you're going to do as homework. 4, 6, 8, 12, 13. Got it? Just for your reference guys, we are using this textbook, that is Concise Mathematics Selena. So in case if you're using any other textbook, you can always take screenshot of the exercises from your friends and use this, because this is a very powerful textbook is what I believe, right? So let's go about it. Until next time when we meet again, I hope you do your good work up, you don't copy, you're good at home, you're practicing, you're investing your time. Stay safe, pray for everyone. Bye guys, take care. Hope you had a lovely mathematics experience with the Rough Book, our learning companion.